Oswald. Job for a day. I sure would love an ice cream. How about you, weenie girl? Hey, Johnny. Are you okay?
Good afternoon, Oswald. I must be coming down with a case of the Pomeranian flu.
Here. You'd better stay warm.
Thank you, Oswald.
You know, Johnny, the best thing for the flu is a good, long nap. It always works for me.
Oh, I couldn't possibly take a nap. It's Friday afternoon, and I have a special delivery to make.
Why don't you let Weenie and I help out? We can make the delivery for you.
Why, thank you, Oswald. Here's a map of Big City. And this is where you have to make that special delivery. 25 Seaweed Street, 3rd floor. 1 Huckleberry Prune Cone.
Don't worry, Johnny. We can do it. Now you go home and get some rest.
Thank you, Oswald.
We're gonna do a great job for Johnny. Isn't this swell, girl? Okay, Weenie, ring the bell.
Yoo-hoo! Ice cream!
Hi, Daisy.
Howdy, Oswald. Where's Johnny Snowman?
Johnny's not feeling well, so Weenie and I are making a special delivery for him. What can I get for you today?
How about a honey blossom snow cone with sunflower seed sprinkles?
Coming right up. Here you go, Daisy.
Hey!
Oh my gosh.
Wowie kazowie, Oswald! All my sunflower seeds are gone!
I have an idea. Here, hold this, Daisy. That should keep the birds away.
That's using your noodle, Oswald. Thanks!
You're welcome, Daisy.
Bye-bye!
Oh, those poor birds sure look hungry. Here you go. You're welcome. Now let's make that special delivery.
Yoo-hoo!
Ice cream!
Hi, Steve. Hi, Andy.
Hello, Oswald. Hello, Weenie. Gee, this is a surprise.
Yeah. Where's Johnny Snowman?
Johnny's not feeling well, so Weenie and I are making a special delivery for him. What can I get you two?
We'd like the usual. We'll have a big scoop of
Vanilla.
chocolate.
Coming right up. Here you go.
Oswald, the chocolate scoop should be on top.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, the vanilla should be on top.
Okay.
No, chocolate.
No, vanilla.
Chocolate.
Vanilla.
Chocolate.
Vanilla.
You know what flavor I like on top? Strawberry.
Strawberry?
Strawberry?
Strawberry.
Coming right up. There. and 2 spoons.
Thanks, Oswald.
You're welcome.
Goodbye.
Everybody loves ice cream. Now let's make that special delivery. Vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry too. All kinds of flavors waiting just for you. Rainbow surprise, a colorful treat. A sundae on Friday just can't be beat. There's salmon sorbet and jam jubilee, but Swizzleberry swirls, the one for me.
1 scoop of each, please. Much obliged.
It's time to make our special delivery. Here's Seaweed Street, Weenie. This is it, girl. Number 25. One scoop of Huckleberry Prune. Third floor. Let's go. One more flight of stairs. Huh? Oh my gosh! The ice cream melted. We'll have to get some more. This time I'll put 2 scoops of Huckleberry Prune on the cone instead of 1. 1, 2. Let's hurry, Weenie. One more flight of stairs. Huh? Oh my gosh! Both scoops of ice cream have melted, Weenie. We have to go back to the truck for more. This time, I'll put 3 scoops of Huckleberry Prune on the cone instead of 2. 1, 2, 3. Ready? Let's go. It worked. Phew. Thank goodness.
Yes, young fellow?
Special delivery.
Oh, ice cream. Oh, I do look forward to my Huckleberry Prune every Friday. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Mm-mm.
See? Everybody loves ice cream. Look, girl. That was the last scoop of ice cream. Time to go back to Johnny's.
Hello, Oswald. Hello, Weenie. Say, you were right. A nap was just what I needed. I feel much better.
You sound much better too, Johnny.
And how did the delivery go?
Just swell. And guess what? We're all out of ice cream.
You are? My, that's wonderful. Thanks for doing such a good job.
You're welcome, Johnny.
Say, how would you two like some free ice cream?
Sure. A Swizzleberry swirl for me, and a vanilla dog biscuit for Weenie.
Coming right up.
Thanks, Johnny.
You're welcome, Oswald.
Everybody loves ice cream. Perfect match. Is everybody aboard for the balloon ride?
Wait for me! I want to ride in the balloon too!
Come on, Pongo!
Oops. Oh, how about now? Excuse me. Could I just squeeze in here?
I'm sorry, Pongo, but there's no room for you.
Oh, drat. Well, have a good time, everybody.
Where are you going, Oswald?
Yes. Aren't you coming with us?
No, we're going to keep Pongo company. So long, everybody. Come on, Weenie. Let's go cheer up Pongo.
Sigh.
Hi, Pongo.
Oswald, I thought you were going up in the balloon.
No, I'd rather go later. With you.
With me? Really? You too, Weenie?
Hey, do you want to ride on the seesaw?
The seesaw? Okay.
Come on, Weenie. Now you sit on the other end, Pongo.
Okay.
Whoa! Now you go up, Pongo.
Oh, drat. I'm too big and heavy to seesaw with you. Drat. Oh, Oswald. I wish I had someone my size I could play with.
I've got a great idea. Come on, Pongo. There's Laverne, the elephant. She'd be the perfect match for you.
You're right, Oswald. She's just my size. But how can I get her to play with me?
Go up to her and say hello.
Oh, no. I couldn't do that. I hardly know her.
That's okay. Just say, hello, Laverne. I'm Pongo. You can do it.
Okay, I will. Hello, Laverne. I'm Pongo. Hello, Laverne. I'm Pongo.
Pongo, what happened?
I couldn't do it, Oswald. I'm too shy.
I've got another idea. Come on, Pongo. Let's see which way Laverne goes. Okay, Pongo. If you run down this street and around the corner, you'll bump right into Laverne.
Okay. Then what?
Then you can say, "Oops, pardon me, Laverne."
That's a good idea, Oswald. And then what?
Then you can say hello. Now hurry up.
Oops. Pardon me, Laverne. Oops. Pardon me, Laverne. Whoops. Pardon me, Henry.
Pongo, what happened?
I bumped into Henry instead of Laverne.
Are you okay, Henry?
Yes, I'm fine. My feathers are just a little ruffled. What's all the hubbub, buddy boy?
Pongo wants to be friends with Laverne. I told him just to go up and say hello to her, but he's too shy.
Maybe you should give her some candy and flowers.
Ooh, that's a good idea, Henry.
Then let's get some. Thanks, Henry. Here she comes. When she walks past, just say, "These are for you, Laverne."
Okay. These are for you, Laverne.
Howdy, Pongo. Golly tamale, those are pretty flowers. And they smell super sweet.
Do they?
Achoo! Pongo, what happened?
I sneezed. Oh, Drat.
What's with all the sweets and treats, Oswald?
Pongo wants to be friends with Laverne. I told him just to go up and say hello to her, but he's too shy.
I know. Maybe if Laverne sees you playing ball and having fun, Pongo, she'll want to play with you too.
That's a good idea, Daisy.
Can we borrow your ball?
No problemo.
Thanks, Daisy. There she goes. Now I'll throw the ball to you. And when Laverne sees you having fun, you can say, "Do you want to play with me, Laverne?"
Okay. Do you want to play with me, Laverne? Do you want to play with me, Laverne?
Okay, Pongo. Here it comes.
Oh, boy. I got it. I got it.
Oh, my gosh. Pongo, what happened?
I tripped. Oh, Drat.
You know, Pongo, maybe you should just go up to her and say hello. If you should see someone you'd like to know, just step up cheerfully and say hello. Just wear a friendly smile and say hello. You could say howdy do or hi diddly ho. There's a lot of ways for you to start the show. So plant a little seed and watch it grow. It's easy to succeed. Just say hello.
But I'm too shy. I'll never have anyone my size to play with. Oh, Drat, double Drat. Sigh.
Look, Weenie. Laverne must have finished all of her peanuts. It's our turn to ride in the balloon. Come on.
Oh, all right.
Wait here, Pongo. We'll be right back.
Okay.
I'd like a bag of peanuts, please. Thank you.
Oh.
What is this peanut doing here?
Oh. Whoopsie.
Hello, Laverne. I'm Pongo.
Hello, Pongo.
I said hello.
It looks like you found the perfect match, Pongo. Have a good trip.
But aren't you coming with us?
We'll wait for the next ride.
Well,
Oh, it's so nice to meet you, Pongo. I've heard so much about you. I just love balloons. Don't you love balloons?